beginner friendly topics that are perfect to practice English speaking. Each topic is simple and relatable. It helps to build vocabulary and enhance fluency every day. If you like the video, please give this video a thumbs up. Now without further any delay, let's get into the video. Now let's start. Well, this is the most common question that I have been receiving. I don't know what to talk about. Please suggest something, how to actually start speaking, what to talk about. Well, in this video, I'm gonna give you 10 amazing and super friendly beginners topics to talk about to practice in English. Now let's start with the first point, the first topic, and that is my daily routine. You can talk about your daily routine. What do you do in the evening, morning, or in the afternoon? What do you do? You can explain about your daily routine. It's my family. You can describe your family members, their personality, their jobs, and what do you guys do together. You can explain about your family as well. My favorite food. You can talk about what you love to eat and how it is made. Can you make it or not? You can share about the famous dish of your culture. My hobbies and my free time. You can share about your hobbies, what you like to do, and what do you usually do in your spare time when you are free. What do you like to do? You can just explain about your hobbies, your habits. Describe your best friend, his or her personality, behavior, and nature. What do you like to do when you meet together, or where you usually meet, and what you usually do when you get together. So you can just talk about your friend also, your best friend. You can talk about the place you want to visit. There must be some place that you have been dreaming of to visit, right? So why you dream to visit that, to go there? Why you want to go there? You can explain the why, like what is the reason behind it that you like to visit that place, you have dreamed to go there in future. You can explain about your place, your favorite place that you want to visit in the future. If you are doing job or you are studying, you can talk about your job, your workplace. You can talk about your school or college life. What is the best part of your daily routine? If you are working somewhere, you are studying in college or in schools, you can talk about your routine. What do you like in your school, in your college? What is the favorite part in your job? So you can explain about your job and school or college. Weekend. My weekend. What do you do usually on your weekends? How do you spend your weekends? How do you plan it? And what you are planning in the next weekend to do. You can also talk about your weekends. How do you celebrate it? How do you just enjoy on your weekends? You can talk about it. My favorite movie or my favorite TV show. If you like to watch movies, if you like to watch some TV shows, you can talk about that. Is there anything that is favorite, what you watch, you can talk about that. You can talk about the character you like. You can talk about the story of the movie or serial. Just explain your favorite movie or TV show you watch. Your favorite season or weather. Why do you like that season of weather? How it makes you feel. What is the best part of that weather or season that you like? So you can explain about your favorite season or weather. There are so many topics to talk about, but mainly I have just mentioned 10 most common topics that you can talk about, guys. Well, I hope this video can be a little help for beginners to just find out actually what to talk about. You are going to get it in the video. Well, if you have been watching this video till the end, I say best of luck. Just go and practice. Just pick any topic from this video and speak it out loud. Just start explaining. And if you like the video, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you're watching me first time for such amazing videos in the future. Well, thank you so much for watching. See you soon.